tiny causes can have major implications. It's well known that on-site, downtime causes high costs. Yet even a small spare part could be really helpful. How aggravating when this is not available. To spare you this kind of aggravation, we at BAUER have developed an innovative solution: the service case. Because service is our top priority. With the service case, you always have the most important spare parts in superior OEM quality at hand for your machines. In no time at all, you can resume site operations. Based on our extensive experience, the robust service case is available in different variants, perfectly tailored to your needs. Order any spare parts easily from our service catalogue. Properly equipped means order is guaranteed, because every part has its proper place. Particularly practical is the service case rack. With the rack, you can safely transport several service cases together. We are always happy to help.